At Bascom Family Farms, we have a consistent supply of maple from over 3,000 small farm partners. We support them with education, off-season credits for equipment, and more. In return, they are loyal to us. Syrup is delivered to Bascom's in drums. It is then graded and stored in a 120,000 square foot facility. We are the largest provider of maple syrup in the U.S. With our state-of-the-art storage and processing facility, we can store up to 13 million pounds of syrup at a time. This syrup is sorted by grade, organic or conventional, the origin, and other factors. In our maple production facility, we can store 500,000 pounds of syrup in 6 refrigerated vats. Maple is funneled into stainless steel storage vats through designated piping by grade and type. There is no commingling of grades to prevent cross-contamination. From there, it is pumped into the bottling plant where sophisticated custom machines clean, fill, and seal each bottle and jug. We can fill over 70,000 bottles and jugs per day. Custom labels are affixed to each container as a final step. We are fully food safety certified. Every batch of syrup we process is tested in our lab to confirm grade and type, and to ensure compliance with all food safety and purity standards. We ship millions of pounds of syrup worldwide to 30 countries on 6 continents. We have an inventory available to fulfill any order of any size at any time, and rush orders are not a problem. Our capacity is enormous, and we process more syrup than any other facility in the United States. But in the end, we are still Maple Guys, 7th generation family farmers with a commitment to a great product, great service, and lasting relationships.